story of Joseph reminds me, the Protestants in Hong Kong, they have a dream, have a hope to reconcile with people, even though they are in opposite stance. They hope one day they can put off the mask and celebrate Hong Kong become a free land, a blessed land, and celebrate with the people who have bring suffering or torture to them. So now they are very, especially the young person, they are very angry with the police, but they still have compassion to them. They always say that we are brothers and sisters. So when the justice is done, it is time to forgive and to pursue the reconciliation. So the story of Joseph, Joseph accepted his sibling and his father to Egypt, if I remember, yeah. Then and provide them a wealthy living. In Hong Kong, the protesters are fighting for the well-being of everyone, including the people in the opposite side. So the anger is the emotion of the protesters, but they know well about their future. It's a universal future of the Hong Kong people.